Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Open a terminal and confirm sudo access so commands can run without interruption. Once done, run sudo apt update to refresh package lists. This tells apt what's available and why versions changed. Make sure repositories you need are enabled. Add apt repository universe or multiverse if necessary. You do this now because without updated metadata, apt upgrade may miss security or kernel updates. This step ensures the rest of the process works against current package info. You proceed with the actual upgrades. First, run sudo apt upgrade to install newer package versions that don't require removing others. Answer prompts about services or config files cautiously. If you need to handle dependency changes or kernel swaps, use sudo apt full upgrade that permits package removals and replacements. If a package is held back, check apt mark show hold and unhold or investigate why. Resolving held packages prevents partial upgrades. Throughout, read app's summary so you know what will change and why. You finish by cleaning and validating the system. If the kernel or core libraries were upgraded, reboot with sudo reboot so changes load correctly. Then run sudo apt auto remove and sudo apt auto clean to remove orphan packages and clear cache. This reclaims disk space. If something goes wrong, check logs in /var/log/apt/ and run sudo dpkg configure to fix interrupted installs. One key troubleshooting tip. When a package is broken, apt install f attempts to fix dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.